We are in the top of Belamu Hills. Belamu Hills is in the southern part of Anandanagar.
This is Anandanagar.
But Anandanagar is a huge land, 150 square kilometer area. In early 50s or in 50s, the founder Sri Prabhat Ranjan Sarkar, who is also popularly known as Sri Sri Anandamurti Ji, used to travel from Dhanbad to Ranchi. Train station, he used to lean from the window or from the door, and he saw the vast horizon of red soiled land. He sort of fascinated with the area. This is the heartland or heart of Arad area. Anandanagar was founded as a model project of Ananda Marga organization.
So could you tell us about what Ananda Marga is?
Ananda Marga is a socio-spiritual organization. While the world is suffering a lot of trouble because of the lack of proper human development of human society or the guiding philosophy, Anandamurti has given an economic philosophy which is known as Prout philosophy, which is the third alternative towards capitalism or communism. This space has a special spiritual vibration. Anywhere, any rocks we sit and we can feel the vibration in meditation. Once the founder told us that Shiva visited this place, Krishna visited this place. Spiritual development is the birthright of every human being. That's what our founder thinks, and in that light he developed a spiritual way of life. Human beings is not just a physical being mere for the food and cloth or shelter. Human beings has a particular goal to achieve, and that's the highest goal of human life, is to know oneself.
নাচের তালে এগিয়ে চলে আলতা রাঙা মাটি, মাটি একো নয় কোজেন এ যে আমার মাটি। নাচের তালে এগিয়ে চলে মাটি একটু নয় কোজেনো এ যে আমার মাটি নাচের তালে এগিয়ে চলে আলতা রাঙা মাটি মাটি একটু নয় কোজেনো এ যে আমার মাটি নাচের তালে এগিয়ে চলে মাটি একটু নয় কোজেনো এ যে আমার মাটি
So, Dada, where did the Nanda Marga first start working?
It's a small village. It's called Bagalota. That area, which is the Bagalota, it's a tribal Santhal village where Anandamurtiji started the project because the Queen donated that land in that village. And the nearby village, that's the Chitmu village. In 1965 there was only one graduate. Now in 2010, after 35 years or 45 years, we have more than 200 graduates. And there are few women also who have graduated, and most of them, or you can say 98% of them, studied in Anandamarga primary school or high school and college. Anandamarga begins with education projects, and slowly it has gone for hospital.
What type of treatment will it be?
Treatment?
Yeah, you said homeopathic, no?
Homeopathy and
Allopathy.
Biochemistry. And
Now clinic is running.
Lane is running for 7 years. 10 years.
10 years. 10 years?
Yeah. No, not 20 years.
20.
Yeah,
This
20.
place?
Yeah, this
10
place.
years.
20 years.
I remember in early 80s, there was no hospital in this area. Like a cot they make and they carry the patient, either Purulia or Bokaro, some 30 or 50 km away. Today our hospital has a homeopathy section, we have the allopathic surgery, we have the acupuncture, also naturopathy and Ayurvedic.
Per patient we take 5 rupees.
Yeah?
Per patient
5 rupees.
we take 5 rupees.
Why so little? Very little money.
Because they are very poor.
Uh-huh.
There are so backward area in the West Bengal, and they are so very poor, very poor. They can't able to give
5 rupees.
5 rupees. Somebody not gave, and somebody gave.
So, Dada, can you tell us something about your vision for this place in the future and P.R. Sarkar's vision?
My vision, I think I am the tools in the hand of P.R. Sarkar. So his vision, I am trying to put it in, materialize it. His vision was that all the rural areas should be urbanized. The facilities of the cities or towns should be in the villages.
কিছু ছিল না গো, একলা তুমি ছিলে। কে পুরুষোত্তম কি করে ধরার ছিলে, হে পুরুষোত্তম কি করে ধরার ছিলে। কিসের আসে এক থেকে অনেক হলে, কিসের আসে এক থেকে অনেক হলে, এ প্রশ্নের উত্তর।
And he also particularly wanted us not to use any subterranean water for irrigation for other purpose, better to catch all the rainwater.
ছন্দে গীতে মেঘো মেঘুর রাতে, আছন্দে গীতে তোমারে আমি প্রভু তুষিতে।
So in the vision, if I think about 2012 will be the 50 years or golden jubilee of Anandanagar. So we are thinking about, we still don't have any tarmac road or blacktop road, only the mud road we have.
তুষিতে যে চাই মেঘো মেঘুর রাতে, আছন্দে গীতে।
At least 1/4 of the 16-kilometer roads we like to have tarmac by 2012.
মেঘুর রাতে, আছন্দে গীতে।
Do more about women's welfare and self-help groups towards economic self-sufficiency. Some projects we are developing now, and also handicrafts and local art and culture to develop. So I see Baba has a holistic approach to develop, prepare something that can be a model in true sense. Thank you.
Thank you, Dada.
Namaskar.
কাছে তাকিয়ে দেখে কাছে তাকিয়ে।
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Didi, can you tell us what's happening in here? Thank you.
One lakh, 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs.
What's that?
50,000.
Huh?
Oh. 2 lakhs. I'm doing 2 lakhs.
ভেবেছিল আমার আমিকে বুঝিনি, কাছে তাকিয়ে দেখিনি।